Camden Market, a shopping experience unlike no other. Come along and check it out with us. If you didn't know, this is situated here in the United Kingdom, precisely in London, where lots of tourists like to visit this bunch of different markets strung together. It offers a huge variety of activities you can do, such as shopping, trying out street foods, or simply just enjoying the atmosphere and place people are exposed to. Camden Market is the fourth most popular visitor attraction in London, attracting approximately 250,000 people weekly. It was originally opened only on Sundays, but later on extended to Saturdays and weekdays. Depending on whether you like large crowds or not, you can choose any day you want to visit, as you have a wide range of options to choose from. Now, as you can see, this place is huge, almost implying you can get lost here. Jokes apart, as we explore a little bit more about this place, we notice that shops are next to one another and also lined up in narrow alleys. So it's really easy to look around all the markets here and there. As we have learned in this mini vlog, Camden Market is indeed a place you should visit too. We hope you enjoyed this video and had fun with us. I am Arian Celestino. We'll live in interesting times.